This is one of the most ingenious masterpieces in automotive engineering, the Torsen Differential. But how does it work? And why don't we see them anymore? A component that doesn't use sensors, electronics, or actuators, yet can distribute torque with astonishing precision. Its name comes from torque sensing, and it was invented in the late 1950s by an engineer named Vernon Gleesman, who wanted a smoother, more efficient alternative to traditional limited-slip differentials. Unlike systems that rely on clutches or viscous fluids, the Torsen doesn't need to wait for a wheel to start slipping before reacting. Instead, it acts before that happens. Instead of conventional bevel gears, the Torsen uses helical gears that interlock with each other. When one wheel begins to lose traction, the internal resistance of these gears creates mechanical friction that transfers more torque to the wheel with better grip. And all of this happens mechanically and continuously, without any electronic intervention. This gives it a huge advantage. Torque distribution is instant and progressive. In a typical Torsen, the ratio can vary between 2:1 and 4:1, depending on the design. That means if one wheel starts to slip, the system can send up to 4 times more torque to the other, maintaining traction without jerks or noises. That's why brands like Audi, Toyota, Mazda, and Alfa Romeo have used it in their all-wheel drive systems. In an Audi Quattro, for example, the Torsen automatically distributes power between the front and rear axles, adapting to each driving condition without the driver ever noticing. However, the Torsen isn't perfect. If one wheel completely loses contact with the ground, for example, when it's lifted in the air, the system can't transfer torque because it needs some resistance to work. And since it's more expensive and complex to manufacture than a standard open differential, many automakers eventually replaced it with electronically controlled systems as traction control evolved.